Oh, glorious sanding. If you aren't watching Mads on Sale Life, you should be. Mads, I need some more stickers. If you've been following along over the last few months, you know that this video is a week late, or rather, that I didn't publish a video last week. The video before that was all about prepping and painting parts, and it seems like I've been in a purgatory of painting and sanding forever, getting these parts all the way through priming, painting, and clear coating. And some of them still need to be sanded and polished, and I've got other parts that are just going into primer. So it's kind of a mess around my house with parts hanging everywhere. In the meantime, while waiting for parts to dry, I've been finishing up things here and there for when the assembly of the rolling frame begins in earnest. This video covers a bunch of those small things, and honestly, they're just time fillers, so I don't have a satisfying whiteboard list. Sorry about that. Aside from near constant wet sanding and painting, I cleaned up and did the same process to frame pieces other than the main frame. I've got a locksmith coming to cut a key for the fork lock, so I'm waiting for that to happen before I strip the frame. I know some of you are going to think that that's a waste getting a fork key cut, but I want everything on this bike to be functional, so if it isn't, I'm probably going to remove it. Those frame pieces also got a rust treatment just in case there was anything hiding inside of them. I also started to service the Speedo driver, which is pretty simple. It just needs a good cleaning. I might end up painting this Speedo driver. It looks a little discolored. I haven't decided yet. The brake connecting rod is designed so that the spring rests against a washer that butts up against some pinched nubs on the brake rod. I'm going to extend the threads and add a proper nut and a stop on there. I'm cleaning up the wheel sprocket. I'm not sure, but I'll probably end up painting this and letting the chain grind off what it needs to. And the last little thing this week is assembling the brakes. They're pretty simple. The levers get lubricated with copper anti-seize, and then I Loctite the nuts into place. The brakes get put together and levered over the pins so that they're ready to go into the wheel hubs. Thanks to Sir Gerbrick for the tip on how to do this. It went really smoothly. Hopefully most of the painting will be done next week and I can move on to putting some more stuff together like the forks. But if the past 2 weeks are any indication, it's not going to go that smoothly. So I will put out another video next week. It might be more of these small things, just getting things put together. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed following along on this series, please leave a comment down below. Tell me what I can do better or what I've done wrong. And please like and subscribe. When I reach 100 subscribers, I'm going to send everyone who's subscribed stickers with the G3 on them. You can see pictures of those over on Instagram. So go over there and check us out as well, @AnalogVector. Thanks for watching.